In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update BIOS Dell OptiPlex 9020. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly perform a BIOS update for the Dell OptiPlex 9020 model or any other one that you have. They actually make this process extremely simple. Unlike other manufacturers, you don't need to use a USB drive and go into the BIOS interface to perform the update there. You simply have to download an exe file and run it. So go to the official Dell support website at dell.com/support and look for the Dell OptiPlex. So I recommend looking under the products here, and you will be able to look for the Dell OptiPlex 9020. Make sure that you choose the appropriate model. Now, in here, you will find drivers and downloads at the left, so choose this option. It will take a while, and you will see all of the downloads available after this finishes loading, including, of course, the system BIOS. So you can use the automatic updates, but if you only want to update the BIOS, I recommend going here, find specific drivers. Now, you will see all of them available here, and you have to look for BIOS. So you can enter here in the keyword, and you should be able to find it here, Dell OptiPlex System BIOS. So click on this, you will see the release date, and all that you have to do is download it. You will see that it is an executable file. So this is the reason on why updating the BIOS on a Dell OptiPlex is so simple. You don't need to use a USB drive, go to the BIOS interface. When you run that exe file, you will get this message warning you about the BIOS update process. Make sure that you read through all of this. But to keep it simple, run the executable and don't turn off your computer. Make sure that power is not cut off, as that could potentially lead to a bricked motherboard. So as long as you run this executable file, you update it here. So check the version, click OK, and you let this process finish. You will be good to go. You will see a screen similar to this one with the Dell logo, and your firmware is going to be updated. Like I said, do not power down your system until this process is fully done. Your computer might reboot automatically a couple of times, so just give it as much time as needed. And eventually, when it's done, you will be able to boot into it normally and start using it right away. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS Dell OptiPlex 9020. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.